Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again, Giang here. In this video, I'm going to show you less than 5-minute ponytail in the morning. Alright, what do we need? So the first of all, we need a few poppy pin and that like you use a hair tie and you put 2 poppy pin and a few hair tie, whatever you want to use. Alright. The next one is super important, that texture spray. I refer to you now texture spray. Why? Because this particular product can give you beautiful night texture. Also, it doesn't feel heavy. And when you want to move your hair, you're able to move that. So let's start now. So first, you just divide your hair into sections like that. Just make sure it's above of your ear. Just make a little bit round on the top. Then you ponytail this one. Make sure you ponytail that high up to here. Okay, just brush all the hair high up. Make sure your hand, this one, just have to hold really tight where the line here. Okay, just hold tight like that. Then you use the hair tie. So this one is make sure it's have very tight. You're not too loose. When it's too loose, it's easy to fold the hair. So you do like that. Okay. How to get high volume and texture? My suggestion is do overnight curl without heat before you go to bed. Why? Because it saves time for you. You don't have to spend time to use the hot iron to do curl in the morning. Also, if you do that every day, your hair is get burned, damaged, and it's not good. So check description below to find out a video how to overnight curl without heat. But first, let me show you how to get this one. So you just use the hair tie, whatever you have, like that. And then you use the bobby pin and then open it and put it like that. So why I refer to use this one? Because this one, when you wrap it around, it still keep your hair is still high. If you use the hair tie and you wrap like normal, sometimes the hair it just lose all the texture and it's so hard to get really high on the top. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm just use my finger and I move all this hair back. I refer to use my finger so I can keep all the texture I want. When I use the comb on the brush, I feel the hair is go flat and very easy. Then I hold this one and then I push this on the side. Then you wrap this around. And then when you feel tight enough, then you put this in here. Right. Then you take one small section and then you wrap this around to hide the the hair tie. And use the small bobby pin. Just in like that. So the next is I am going to put it back like this. Then I use this one, this bobby pin, U-pin. I open like that. Then I just place it under here. Just try to put it down like that. And then I use another one. I put this, let me turn around. So I use another one, I put this like that again. So you can see this have a little bit like that. You might feel it too much and overwhelmed right now, but don't worry. Make sure you watch this video until the end. Then I will show you 7 simple steps. Super easy. I believe you can do that. I put another one on another side like that. So you see that one, it just helps the hair, it's just a little bit high up. So when you do like that, you can see the hair is just so maximum high volume. If you want more texture, volume, so what you need to do, put the hair up, then use texture spray. But if you want more last longer, you can use hairspray instead. Then you back comb to add more texture and volume. Continue to do another section. If you want to wearing this every day, I suggest just use texture spray, not hairspray. Because when you use hairspray, it's too hard for the next day for you styling it. Then when I finish that, I just use a little bit texture spray on. I like on the front a little bit volume, so I just pull the hair a little bit on the top and add a little bit texture spray on. I like texture spray a lot because it adds more texture volume, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. You can easily do brushes out in the next day if you want. There we go, finally finished. What do you think? I have some tips for you. If you really love this hairstyle and really want to do that in 5 minutes, my suggestion first, watch this video 3 to 5 times to make sure you remember the technique. Then follow 7 steps at the end of this video. Trust me, you can do it in 5 minutes or less. If you want more support from me, join my community at the description below. So in there, I will answer all your questions. Okay, let me recap 7 steps. Step 1, divide into sections. Step 2, tie the section back. Step 3, tie the back and the top section together. Step 4, take the small section and then hide the hair tie. Step 5, put the 3 U-pin on the back to add volume. Step 6, back comb on the top section. Step 7, pull a little bit hair on the top to add texture on the top. I hope you enjoy video and learn something to do that for yourself.